Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Coursera is once again a very important website to learn online free and paid different kind of courses related to your field, your skills, right? Coursera. Before proceeding further in this video, please subscribe my channel so that you can get a notification for every new video. Coursera, Coursera in Google, and you can Coursera. This is a very important website, Coursera.org. Click on it. When you click on it, its website will be opened and you can check out it here. First of all, you need to see its details. Here, first of all, click explore. By clicking on this explore icon, you can see its details. There are different kinds of courses available. It will take some time. It also provides degree programs. You can also avail degree programs, university certificates, master track programs from this website. This is the here on this icon you can take a free course, earn a degree, earn a certificate, advance your career, and many more. If you want to have a course related to your subject, you need to go here. For example, when you click on your subject, different kinds of courses are available here. For example, information technology, you can avail different kind of courses available. I want to first of all take a free course. Click on it, take a free course. You can avail different kind of free courses available. Click on any one of your courses. The science of well-being, click on it, and enroll for free. Click on it. It is available in, if you want to purchase this course, it can easily be purchased in $49. Full course with no certificate, you can also continue with it, which is totally free. You can see that this much amount of the people have already enrolled for this course in October. So you can see that its demand in the world, its attraction in the whole world. People are searching these kind of courses, and you can improve your skill. You can add different kind of courses. You can, whichever you want, whatever your field is, you need to select that specific course and make your skills ready for that field. Thank you so much for watching this video.